Hey team, buckle up. Remember all the hype when OpenAI dropped GPT-4? Well, they're not done yet. Hold on to your seats because they've been quietly supercharging their GPT models, proving they're still the reigning champions of the AI chatbot game. And at their recent Dev Day, OpenAI boss Sam Altman unveiled GPT-4 Turbo. But will it take the checkered flag? Let's find out. This ain't your grandma's language model. It's got a brain stuffed with the latest info, a memory like an elephant on Red Bull, and can hold a conversation like nobody's business. Plus, it's way cheaper to run than its predecessor, making it a total game changer. So, whether you're an AI aficionado, a code-slinging developer, or just a curious cat, this video's for you. We're about to dive deep into GPT-4 Turbo and see what this beast can do. Remember back when AI language models were as exciting as watching paint dry? Well, those days are gone. This time, things just went nitro. We went from clunky rule-based robots to stat-loving data nerds. Then, bam, machine learning came crashing in, teaching machines to actually understand and spit out human-like words. Then in 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT to the world, and suddenly everyone's losing their minds. But that was just the warm-up lap. Next came GPT-4, a transformer on steroids. This thing used mind-bending attention to grasp the meaning of whole sentences, not just words. And GPT-4 wasn't messing around. We're talking 8,000 token memory, meaning it can hold entire conversations in its head, like a gossip queen on steroids. Plus, this bad boy learned like a champ. Just show it a couple examples and boom, it's got the hang of it. Talk about fast-track learning. But hold on, guys. Let's hit the pause button on GPT-4. Yes, it blew minds when it dropped, but it wasn't perfect. Think of it like a phone stuck on last year's software. Its knowledge base stopped in September 2021. No wonder it missed out on all the juicy news and events thereafter. Even though OpenAI paved the way for AI chatbots, GPT-4's data limitations left them facing some heat. Competitors like Google Bard were rocking fresher tires, leaving GPT-4 looking a bit worn out. But fear not, fellow enthusiasts. OpenAI didn't just sit still and take it. Enter GPT-4 Turbo, the ultimate upgrade and current champion of the GPT family. It's like trading in that dusty old Mustang and getting the latest, sleekest model with all the bells and whistles. First things first, GPT-4 Turbo got a major knowledge boost. Its brain is now stuffed with all the latest info, meaning it's way more in the loop. No more awkward silences when you mention the latest TikTok trend. In addition, this Turbo version has a massive memory upgrade. It's like going from a phone that struggles with a few memes to one that can store your entire movie library. This supercharged memory lets GPT-4 Turbo handle epic conversations and grasp even the most complex prompts. Think of it as having a super chatty friend who can follow your wildest tangents and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Let's break down that context window thing without needing a PhD in AI. Imagine you're having a chat with someone. The more you talk, the more context builds up, right? Like remembering what you ate for breakfast or that hilarious meme you saw earlier. Well, GPT-4 Turbo has a ridiculous memory. Its context window is 128,000 tokens, which is basically 300 pages of text. That's compared to GPT-4's measly 24 pages. It's like going from a goldfish bowl to a whole ocean of memories. So, what does this ocean-sized brain do? It lets GPT-4 Turbo follow your wildest conversation tangents, understand complex prompts, and even remembers funny anecdotes from 300 pages back. This means longer, smoother conversations where the AI actually gets what you're saying no matter how deep you dive. And Turbo is way cheaper than its predecessor. So imagine you're buying some fancy AI tech. GPT-4 was like those overpriced gadgets that empty your wallet faster than you can say inflation. But GPT-4 Turbo is like finding a treasure chest of discounted AI goodies. Here's the deal. Input tokens are the words you feed the AI. Think of it like throwing coins in the magic talking robot machine. GPT-4 Turbo charges 3 times less for each word you throw at it. Basically, you get more AI magic for your buck. And output tokens are the words the AI spits back at you. And guess what? GPT-4 Turbo charges 2 times less for each word it gives you back. Double the AI conversation for half the price. This might sound technical, but it's a big deal, especially for developers. Building AI apps just got way more affordable. Think of all the cool things they can create without breaking the bank. And that's good for all of us who use AI tools. And for businesses using AI for customer service, marketing, or any other purpose, GPT-4 Turbo can save you a ton of money. Every saved cent is a penny earned, right? So, how do you get access to this AI bargain bin? You'll need an API account in order to enter the AI playground. That's your VIP pit lane pass to GPT land. But existing GPT-4 users can simply upgrade to the Turbo version. To access the API, just log into your OpenAI account, then navigate to the API section. Then specify the model name GPT-4-1106-preview, which will unlock the turbocharge. You can find this on the OpenAI website. So what can this shiny new AI machine actually do? Well, imagine that supercharged Mustang on the outside lane, slicing through information and language with ease. Or customer services where the robot doesn't just repeat the same old boring script. GPT-4 Turbo can handle your questions in a natural, human-like way, saving real humans for the tricky stuff. No more robot rage. And if you're ever feeling overwhelmed by all that online text, GPT-4 Turbo can summarize news articles and research papers into bite-sized nuggets. But hey, no tool is perfect. This Turbo Beast may still need a respray. April 2023 is its new knowledge cutoff date, so anything after that is a blind spot. And the 128K token window sounds impressive, but it's not infinite. So when you go beyond that limit, it might forget what you said earlier. Some users also say that GPT-4 Turbo's reasoning isn't as sharp as its predecessor. And like previous GPT models, this one keeps its decision-making process hidden. It's like trying to understand a magician's trick where you see the result, but the how remains a mystery. This makes it hard to know if its answers are truly trustworthy. Always fact-check any output. And in fairness, that simple rule applies to any chatbot. But even with these bumps in the road, GPT-4 Turbo is a major leap forward.